Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change colors in Photoshop. So firstly, open up Photoshop. Then as you can see, I already have an image. So what you have to do is just simply click on the image, then create an adjustment layer just by going down here and then taking hue and saturation. Simply click on that. Then just simply pick this arrow over here and click on the dress where it is the most brightest. Let's say for example over here. So now let's just bring the properties settings outside because it will be much more easier to use. And now what you have to do is just simply max out the hue and saturation just like that, and now adjust the bars down here to fill the places which is not filled. So then just do that. So after filling up the details, just simply again bring the hue and saturation back to 0, and now you can change them to any color of your liking. You can also adjust the saturation of the dress, and if you want to make the dress black, just simply bring down the saturation, then in the lightness also bring that down, and you will create a black dress. And if you want to make a white dress, just simply do that, just simply drag the lightness to the white side and you will create a white dress. So that's it. That's how you can change colors in Photoshop. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.